Latino, the body is the base of everything. It represents the flesh and the materialism of our existence. The body is the one thing that is truly our own. We must treat it with respect and love it no matter what. With the body, we can create art. Through movement, we can express our feelings and speak without talking. We start off as a blank canvas, and throughout our life, our body gets marks and scars to show our hardship and tell a story. We must never harm our body, as it is the vessel to live this life. Ladies and gentlemen, Alli Zamora, dancer 215.